Good afternoon, YouTubers. We just got done with a good barbecue lunch from a competition grade smoker. There's a nice smokehouse back there, folks. Just a little bit more of this guy's off-grid infrastructure. He's got wood to boot. Special Agent Gray's in position. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah. It's me.
Just getting ready. He's letting that blood sugar come back up after a good healthy plate of barbecue. All the racking is up. There's our Solodex over there. We've already got our strings. I don't know if you can see these strings though, but we've got our strings in position and clipped in. So there's going to be 4 strings of 9 panels. And there's 2 SMA 6.0 inverters. Take you over here and show you. There's the electricians. They're working on... Is it okay if I call you guys electricians? Yeah. They're working on the AC layout, and there's our MC cable. You can run MC cable for your DC circuits. It's coming in, and there's going to be they're laying out the gutter right now. They're going to put that gutter on, and right on the back side of this wall is the meter base where we're going to tie in, and then down underneath is the electrical panel for the house, and that'll be where the 240 amp circuits feeding these inverters are. So it'll be 240 amp circuits and the two 200 amp sub panels. They'll come up through the basement, go out here to the outside of the wall, and there'll be 2 disconnects. These 2 disconnects, and then they'll come back and feed there, and then the solar will feed into the DC inputs. And this inverter does have the secure power supply function. Oh, you're cool. There's the port. That's the switch for the SPS, and that's the output for the SPS, and that's the normal grid feed. Hey, Robert, would you say that this SPS thing has become kind of an emotional issue?
Yeah, I would say so. Well, they can't. It's a paradigm shift that they're not used to.
It's an emotional issue. All right, so this is the panel. These panels are a little bit crazy looking. They are Canadian Solar PERC 320s. What do you think about that 320, man?
I think it's a lot of power for its size.
You look great up there.
Thank you.
This is weird. Connectors like that.
Nice panel.
It's not going to hurt us, but it's kind of strange. And it's probably to do with the way it's a PERC panel. 40 millimeter panel, about 40 pounds. There's the cells.
Yeah.
Very strange, but I like a lot. So we're about to swing these panels. Who are we gonna have to call who? Oh yeah, you can call them Black. Black on Black is the name of the like that's a black panel, white back sheet.
Yep.
But if that back sheet was white and there was no white on it, you'd call it Black on Black.
Black on black.
Yeah. Black on black panel. That's a black on white. Black panel, white back sheet. I think it's BW, and then there's a -1BO. There's BOs too. But anyway, so just wanted to show you guys a couple of... Yeah, the hand me up works. I hand up to him, and then it's called a fireman carry. See, I was gonna call it a Mexican elevator.
You want to take
Bucket brigade.
You want to take this other cross suspender off?
Yeah, we can, huh? He was doing fine. I was just throwing him up to him. So we're just getting ready to throw these panels up. There's a lot of preparation that goes into getting to this point. You don't want to rush on any of this, but once you get there, it sure is nice. So we ran out of black flashing, or the supply house ran out of black flashing on us. So we started using silver, but they'll all be concealed under the solar array. You can see we staggered our attachment points so that we're not all on one rafter. We're on different rafters, which spreads the load. And
Jump back up, just like riding a horse.
Here's a close-up of the flashing.
Don't have time to be heard.
there's the 2 Solidecks. I don't have fall protection, so that's as close as I'm going. Those are our roof penetrations. And now I'm going down. So this is just a straight up grid tie solar array with the SMA inverters. And as we mentioned already, the SMA inverters have secure power supplies that can supply 2,000 watts when the power is out directly off the inverter to a 120 volt outlet with no battery. In addition to that, the SMA inverters respond to frequency shift power control. So when you AC couple one of these inverters, they're actually designed from the ground up to AC couple with a Sunny Island or a Schneider or a Magnum or any of those inverters that will frequency shift to control the power. So, you know, if you're wanting to add battery later, that's a good inverter to use because it doesn't just turn off when the grid starts changing frequency. It'll if you set it up right, it'll respond to that. Now, you've got to go in and change some settings and get a grid guard code and be an installer. If you're interested in doing something like that, you need to talk to your installer about it. We're gonna go ahead and mount these panels now. So where's our panel catcher at? I don't know where he's at, but we're about to get this thing going. Anybody, nobody's asking any questions, so I'm off here. Johnny Valentine with Gain Solar, thank you for watching.